Hello enthusiasts, titingnan natin tong long distance throw flashlight ng Workhos. This is the Workhos TS28. At tamang-tama naghahanap ako ng isang long distance throw or thrower na flashlight na hindi tactical oriented. Yung particular na feature na hinahanap ko ay itong side switch instead of those thrower flashlights na gumagamit ng tactical tail switch. Bakit nga ba hinahanap ko yung merong side switch? Pag-usapan natin yan mamaya. Quick specs muna tayo. So itong Workhos TS28 ay gumagamit ng Gen 2 ng SFT70. Yung SFT70 na Gen 2 or yung version 2 ay may malaking improvement. Mas maliwanag ito ng 18%. And what we have is the 6000 or 6500K na tint, more on the cooler side. This can output 3200 lumens, 506 meter beam distance, 330 hours runtime on eco mode, at may bigat lang na 175 grams. Sa build quality naman, napaka-solid 6061 aluminum alloy, hard anodized finish. Kahit hindi siya tactical oriented, meron pa rin siyang mga tactical features. Kagaya nitong crenulated strike bezel, hardened mineral glass na may anti-reflective coating. You have that smooth reflector for that SFT70 na siyang bumubuo ng kanyang beam profile. Let's head to the power figures. We have Eco, Low, Medium, High, and Turbo. And if you want to know more about the Workhos TS28, meron akong full review na ginawa. Hanapin nyo sa aking channel, pero hindi matatapos yung video na to without a quick field test. Tara, samahan nyo ako sa labas. Field test muna tayo. Let's go. Right. Workhos TS28, subukan natin. Yung target natin is 180 meters. Let's go. So start with low. So sa low setting natin, hanggang dito lang yung beam niya. Tapos this is medium. Yan, paunti-unti nakikita na natin yung target natin. As you can see. Tapos ito yung high. Yan. Mas nagiging clear na yung beam profile niya. Mas nakikita na natin yung beam angle ng spill. Tapos yung angle din naman ng spot. Tapos ito yung turbo. Very impressive. Yan. Very foggy tonight, so we can really see the beam profile. Nakikita natin. Pero yan yung liwanag niya. Okay, let's start with low. Medium. So ito yung medium niya. This is high. Ganito kalakas yung high. Then ito yung turbo. That is very bright.